Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Rust and make a quick project. So go ahead and go to the link in the description and grab the Rust programming language. So go ahead and press the install button. I'll be doing this for Linux because I am on Linux currently. So go ahead and copy this right here. This is the Rust startup on how to download Rust on Linux. So go ahead and go to your terminal. So we're just going to do that now. Go here, go ahead and paste it in. It'll use curl to download it. Make sure you have curl downloaded. And try going to a different tutorial and get that. But if you don't have it, then yeah, you won't be able to do this. So go ahead and run it. It'll download the installer. And the reason why it's saying that is because I have already installed Rust. So go ahead and press Y. Or if you already have it, just go ahead and go. It will get to this installation right here. So you can proceed with the standard installation. So you go ahead and do one, unless you want to customize it. I don't recommend that because the default is better. Go ahead and download that. There you go. Rust is now installed. So this is good. That's where it will be. If you wanted to have a look at the home directory, right there as well. Okay. So to do this, we will need the cargo, which is what we're going to use. So if it hasn't been downloaded properly, you will have to do a sudo apt update like that, and then you'll have to do a sudo apt install and then cargo, and then yeah, just do the normal installation. Okay, so I'm just going to go into my favorite one, tmux. Go to your directory you want to go to. So I'm just going to go to programming right here. Here we go. Just clear this. Okay, so now I'm go ahead and run cargo new, and then your name of the project can be anything, only a few things, but most of it's fine. So go ahead and run. So I'm just going to call it test project. So go ahead and do that. That will go ahead and create it. Ignore the warning here unless you want to fix it. Not considered though, as it says not considered test project. Okay, go ahead and cd into it. There you go. Go into your favorite editor. So this could be Visual Studio, Sublime. For me it's NeoVim because I use keyboard only. Go ahead and go to main rs, and there you go. There's your you've got your cargo.tml file, src main.rs. So we will build this. I'll just quickly make a project. You can follow along if you want to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete everything right here. Let's see. Let's just go like that. Okay, and then go and do std io like that. And then we're gonna do function main like that. And then we're going to do. We're just going to print the line of hi, what is your name, like that, just like that. We'll do that, and then we're going to do let mut name equals to string new. There you go. So what this is going to do is going to create a new string and assign it to the variable name. So there we go. And then we're going to do io std in, which is basically doing an input. So it's prompting the user to put their name in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to assign the variable. We're going to assign the variable to the name of what the prompt said. So we're just going to send there by doing @mut name like that. And then we're going to do we're going to catch for errors. So we do expect. So this is going to be like expect failed filter line. There you go. And then we're just going to print the name out. So if we just do print line, then we're just going to say hello. And then this right here, these little brackets right here, will basically replace the name of the variable. So we'll just go ahead and mention it. There you go. So that is going to be it. If you just save and quit. Okay, that was 2 syntax errors. I didn't have use here, and also you don't need the I. I think that's when it was trying to go to the thing. Go ahead and quit. Go ahead and do cargo build. That will go ahead and build the project. There you go. And then go ahead and do cargo run. And it'll ask you, hi, what is your name? Go ahead and type your name. So I'll just do my YouTube channel name, like that. It says, hello, Ali Elijah Wood. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, join the Discord, and yeah, see you in another one. Bye!